everybody, welcome back. This is George for the Railroad Dog from the Roman Nico Railroad. Hope everybody's doing okay. Hope everybody's having a lot of fun railroading. Well, I was in a chat yesterday with Jerry, and he told me you should do a video on your setup and how many printers and all that. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make a video showing these printers running, showing the Empire. Everything's going really good. You know, the business is booming. I really appreciate everybody who has bought buildings from me. What's good is that all my buildings, I design them myself. From photographs, I got a lot of customers that send me their houses, send me pictures of their houses, and I scale it down either to HO or old scale. I build it and I ship them out. Let me turn it around and show you the video that I took last night while streaming with Jerry. Before I do that video, I want to just show you, I got the layout, the shelf layout that goes around the room. And I'm running my Christmas train with my Looney Tunes train. And every year I buy the Lionel box cards with pictures of my kids. That first one is from my oldest, the second one's from my second kid. And then every year I do the box cards. That last one is this year's. Let me show you who's on the TV. Look, it's Jerry. And this is the setup here.
So Mystic has
So the
two
magic
videos that most
happens.
still haven't gotten
And here are all the printers. Got one there, working. Got three there. Three there. Three there. Three there. And two in the back. That's then I got my layout on top. This is where the magic happens.
Two videos coming out. Slow now. Throttle back, man.
From all different colors. Wonder why I do them in green and that's because I differentiate them on the splicer.
Don't overload them.
Oh, there she is. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Hey, like always, happy railroading. And if I don't see you guys, Merry Christmas to everyone. Bye.